As we age, it's important to stay physically active and maintain a regular exercise routine. It has been well documented for decades that exercise can help improve physical function, prevent or manage chronic diseases, and enhance mental well-being. However, as we age, our body may change and we may be more at risk of certain injuries or health problems. It's important to include strength, flexibility, balance, and endurance exercises in your routine. If certain exercises don't feel right or are more difficult, painful, listen to your body and stop or modify if you can. If not, contact us at Proactive Pelvic Health Center to get assessed and treated for your limitations and help reduce the risk of injury and ensure that you are able to continue exercising safely and effectively as you continue on your health journey. Remember, it's never too late to start exercising, and the benefits of staying active are numerous, and you will thank yourself later. Stay healthy and stay moving.